Hi, this is Amy from MoxieDori. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Dutch door insert. This is one you can use for your dailies that nests nicely inside your weekly. I chose mine to look like a moon, which is a circle, or a sphere. So I'm going to use my mandala maker to make a perfect half circle. I'm going to use the center hole to hold down the tool, and I'm going to tape down my paper so it doesn't spin and make a half circle on 2 pieces of folded paper. This way I'll have 8 pages in my weekly insert. I use Monday through Sunday and also a little tasks page on the last page. So the trick here is adhering the insert to your book. What I do is from the center I fold over 1 centimeter area, and I use a Tombow permanent adhesive to glue these 2 pages together. Then I'll use the same little gully to adhere the insert to the notebook. So I'll just measure off how long the insert is and put a strip right along the center of the notebook, but on the right side, because I want to open from right to left. And then I just make sure my pages fold nicely, and to put a little more glue, and it's in there perfectly. There you have it, a weekly nested daily insert.